Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on SoundCloud. Alright, as you may notice, my browser is on dark mode, but the SoundCloud is still on light or white. Alright, to change this, just go ahead and go to your extensions right here. As you can see, I'm using Brave browser. This one is a Chromium based, so similar settings will be on Google Chrome's browser as well. Just click on extensions. Alright, if you can't see extensions right here, go ahead and click on the three dots. And here you will see extensions. All right, now from here, go ahead and visit Web Store. Search on dark reader right here. Click on it. Add to Brave. Add extension. Let's wait for it. It's done. Now go back to SoundCloud, and as you can see here, it is now fully on dark mode. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.